welcome back to my channel. Today I'm collabing with Linktohair. I'm going to be installing and reviewing their Hyper Edge 13x4 HD Lace Frontal Deep Curly Human Hair Lace Wig. So if you would like to see that, then keep watching. The hair comes with so many goodies. It comes with this extra strap that you can put in the middle of the wig. It also comes with a little bag of treats like a wig cap, an edge brush, and some lashes. I'm like in awe with this wig, as you can see. So this wig has two clips in the front, one large clip in the back, and it also comes with the extra strap. The hairline is pre-made and it has HD lace, and it is super beginner friendly. I just want to put you guys on and say that Linktohair's HD lace is the only one in the world that can produce it. Most of the lace material that they use for their lace wigs is supplied to design brands for custom high-end wedding dresses, evening gowns, and red carpet dresses. The lace they use on this wig is used for that. The texture of this HD lace is finer and flatter than regular lace, more sheer, more clear, so it can perfectly blend in with the skin. I'm gonna move on to installing the wig. As you guys know, I always use a lace tint spray. Today I'm using Wig Extensions tint spray in golden. Gonna let that dry because I don't have my blow dryer today. Cut the lace and install. I am using Wig Dealer's melt spray to install this wig, so I'm not going to use glue. I'm just going to use this melt spray and see if it works. Look at the edges, you guys. Look how natural they look. Can you even see the lace? This looks like it's coming out of my scalp. I'm going to be using Janet Collection's 𝐒𝐯𝐞 mousse to lay my baby hairs. This is the final look, you guys. I was trying to give Beyonce with the pony on the side. Absolutely love this wig. The curls are perfect. The texture is perfect. The hairline is perfect. If you're interested in buying this wig, please purchase at linktohair.com, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.